Hey guys, welcome to the ZAK Bite N Taste YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make something very energetic, a yummy scrummy mango milkshake, and very lightly to make, and you will love the flavors. So let's get started. The ingredients we need to make mango milkshake are 1 cup of mango cubes, 1 cup of sugar or according to your taste, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, some crushed ice, 1 liter of full fat milk, some crushed pistachios, some crushed almonds. First, take a blender and put this mango cubes in this blender. At the same time, add 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, some crushed ice, and the last 1 liter of full fat milk. Now cover the blender and blend it well from time to time. After blending, pour it out in dinky glasses one by one. Now garnish it with some crushed pistachios and some crushed almonds. That's it. And your mango milkshake is ready to serve. Wow, it looks very flavorful. I think you must try this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so leave a thumbs up, subscribe for future updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and share with friends and families, and power the notification bell icon button for the upcoming notifications so you get notified of the latest videos promptly, and it's free. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in another rousing, gleamy video. Take care and bye for now.